Prime Minister of the country, Shri Narendra Modi ji, who has spearheaded the whole movement of popularizing and bringing back this whole tradition and taking it in a very serious way forward on providing this type of initiative so that it is accessible to everybody as far as yoga is concerned, so that the overall approach is ensuring that our people have access to yoga, which will help in an overall well-being of a person. Our dynamic Union Minister for Ayush, Mr. Shripad Naik ji, who's also been spearheading this for the last 5 years. Internationally, yoga has become so popular in the last couple of years. I mean, in India, I think more than in India, I think internationally people have taken up to yoga. All I can say to the younger generation is that we need to take this up seriously. But people don't have space to go and practice yoga. So we need to see only not through the function, but also in the true sense by providing space in various government premises so that people have access to yoga. In the morning we give them for a particular period or evening, and with the Yoga Academy we will be in a better position to see that we propagate and take this forward in the true sense.
आज थीम आसा योग फॉर कार्डियक केअर. हांगा योग कितें सांगता जाणा, मनुष्य जावप डिफिकल्ट. हांव खरेंच काय म्हणटा, कित्याक हांव सकाळी सुद्दां घरा कडेन जेन्ना भायर सरलो न्हय, केन्ना इमॅजिन हांव कितल्याक भायर सरला 4:15. हांव कित्याक सांगता, हांव डॉक्टर. म्हाका आतां खरी 4:15 वचून एकलो जाय, पण माय लायफस्टायल चालू म्हणटा. आनी 4:15 जेन्ना भायर उठलो तेन्ना सकाळी फुडें उठलो, उदक पिलें. ऐकत ना, तुम्ही फाल्याच्यान करूं जाय. उदक पितकच मागीर तोंड धुयलें. तोंड धुतकच एकदम उदक पिलें की सगळी संडास. तोंड धुयलें, सगळी घाण आसता. आनी ती घाण घेवन जर मिस्कॉलान आयली न्ही, तुजो लक्षच लागपाना. आनी खंय तरी आवाज येता, पांग पूंग पांग पूंग. चिंता लागना. थंड उदकान न्हालो. थंड उदकान न्हावप इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. कारण आमचे भितरले जे आता डॉक्टर सांगता गोंदळ जो आसा न्ही, तो गोंदळ स्टिम्युलेट जाता. आनी गोंदळ स्टिम्युलेट जातकच आमचे भितर गजरीसी आसा ती येता आनी केन्नाच कुंडी जायना. चॅलेंज. 2 दीस पयलीं पावसाक खूब दीस जावन पावस पडलो न्ही, गार्डनींग काम करता खूब दीस जावन गोंया भितर जोर काडला. जोर येवना. योग आमकां शिकयता.
सकाळी फुडें उठता न्ही जाल्यार इम्पॉर्टंट पयलीं तकलेचे एक्सरसायज, मागीर खांद्याचे एक्सरसायज, मागीर आमचो हांगा कोणो आसा कोणो एक्सरसायज. कोणो बरो उरलो न्ही, आमी मरे पर्यंत उबे उरतले. मरे पर्यंत आमी बरे उरतले. कोणो प्रॉब्लेम जालो न्ही, प्रॉब्लेम. दुसरें म्हणजे हे दोतोरांचे एक्सरसायज. लक्षात धरा, तकली हानो मेरुदंड म्हणजे कोणो आनी लक्षात जालें. तो कितें करप, पयलीं अशें उबे रावतले आनी हात अशे धरप. ओके, आतां न्ही मागीर करुया. उबे रावं नाका, पळय फक्त पळया. मागीर श्वास घेवप, श्वास सोडप, श्वास घेवप, श्वास सोडप, घेवप, श्वास सोडप, श्वास घेवप. लक्षात जालें. आतां कितें हालो खांद्याक लागून कितें करप. आतां सिंपल 1 2 3 4 सगळें दिसुया. सिंपल कर. आतां अशें केलें, आतां अशें केलें, व्हडलें सर्कल करप. घेतलो, श्वास सोडलो, फाटल्यान वचप. आतां एकलो फाटल्यान. येस. परत श्वास घेतलो, मागीर करुया. परत श्वास सोडलो, पळय श्वास सोडलो, श्वास घेतलो, श्वास सोडलो. सिंपल, होय काय न्ही.
Yoga is a science of well-being, a science of youthfulness, a science of integrating body, mind and soul. Yoga is a journey to find who you are, realize your consciousness, integrate consciousness with the body that we breathe in, integrate individual consciousness with a universal consciousness. Yoga is a perfect opportunity to be curious about yourself.
Been organizing with various departments. Each departments themselves have come forward to organize such yoga demonstration in their respective institution, like all these schools, colleges, as well as departments like police, fire service. They have also come forward and they are also carrying out such demonstration today in their respective places. And all this augurs well, and today the purpose of doing all this is to send the message and bring awareness among all those who have not yet realized the benefit and importance of yoga.